How to change location on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change location on our Android device. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. So if you want to change the location in Android device, you can head over to your phone settings first and then navigate to location option. This one right here. And all you need to do is go ahead and turn it on, and you can select your desired location accuracy mode. So we have this services option available also. You can go ahead and turn these options on and it should locate you to the location that you are at that moment. Otherwise, to use a mock location app, you can head over to settings again and go to the about phone section and turn on the developer options. Once it is turned on, go to developer options. And from here, just go to the last section and you'll be finding this select mock location app. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and you can go ahead and select up your mock location application if you have any, and you can use that in order to set your desired location. So that is how you set your location on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.